Hi, my name is Les Thomas. This is the AI avatar created to represent me. I'm the author of The Adventures of Alexander and Abigail children's book series, including the latest volume, Camping Fun. During the publication process of Camping Fun, I started considering ideas for the twins' next adventure, and the thought came to mind, what if they learned about first aid? It's a topic of considerable interest to me, having taken numerous first aid and emergency response courses through various careers. What started as a quick research project turned into a deep dive down a long rabbit hole. With the help of AI, I began compiling information about every first aid class offered in the United States, and before I knew it, that research turned into something much bigger. There are 4 wilderness first aid courses, and from my understanding, 3 involve preparation for emergency services to arrive, and the 4th is a wilderness first responder course. However, I wanted to understand not just traditional first aid, but also what happens when emergency services are not available. So I explored first aid when help just isn't going to come, in either wilderness settings or other no-help situations. So in addition to the standard courses, I asked AI to generate study guides for the hypothetical situations too. At that point, I realized I might have something really useful. A complete companion guide covering all major first aid courses, the 2 hypothetical courses, and 3 more, which, although not exactly first aid, support the advanced curriculum. For each guide, and there are 28 of them, I included the sections: course overview, prerequisites, study guide topics for each key point covered in the course, supplies and tools used, and a complete glossary of medical and first aid terms used in the course. Then came the fun part, putting it all together in Microsoft Word. And if you've ever worked with long documents, you'll understand when I say some pages might not be perfectly consistent because Word can test your patience. That's actually where the joke title on the cover came from. You can do it yourself if you spend 9+ hours crafting the right prompts to have AI provide you the information you want in a somewhat consistent format across 28 different guides. Then spend another 36 hours importing them into a single document with a clean design, full table of contents, complete index, and more. Or just spend a few bucks on this first aid course companion and glossary handbook. The printed edition is 381 pages, and with the free downloadable materials, it's 578 pages total. In addition to covering every published first aid course, this handbook includes sections on Good Samaritan laws and how to locate certified training in your state. It's educational, comprehensive, and a great reference for anyone interested in first aid. But to be clear, it's not a replacement for hands-on training or professional medical advice. Take the class, practice the skills, and always follow local protocols. Yes, that is a line straight from the book. You can find the First Aid Course Companion and Glossary Handbook on Amazon. You're free for Kindle Unlimited members, $2.99 for Kindle, and $14.13 in paperback. It makes a thoughtful gift, a smart coffee table book, or a great motivator to finally take that class you've been meaning to sign up for. Thank you for listening, and who knows, maybe this book will inspire you to learn first aid and help someone when it matters most.
The First Aid Course Companion and Glossary Handbook is available now on Amazon. Order yours today.